Big bird. Yummy. Ui.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unboxing the fruit. What inside here, and I think let's unbox together. Let's see what is inside here. Okay, this is from the province. Yeah, my mother sent it to me, but I don't know what is inside. Okay, so let's go to see what is inside here. Okay. Wow! Rambutan, very fresh. Yeah, I think this one is very good. Let's taste this one. It is very nice. Wow! It is organic rambutan. Okay, no chemical because we grow it at homeland. Okay, let's try this one. It's good. First like that, right? Okay, let's go on. Wow. Wow. A lot of rambutan here. Okay. And oh, what is it? This is, I think, this is mushroom. This is organic mushroom. You know, it grow in the rubber farm at the province, and we cannot eat raw, but we need to cook. Okay, this is mushrooms. Okay, you see, yeah, it's mushroom. Wow, it's good. And then okay, this mushroom again. Okay, but what is inside here? What is inside here? Let's see together. Wow, it's durian. Okay. Wow, it smells very good. Okay. Wow. Okay. Yes, big. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, so 2, 3, 4. Wow, this is a big one. Wow, this is a big one. I think this is around 5 or 6 kilos. Yeah, it's a big one. Okay, and this is rambutan. Yeah. Okay. Wow, it's wow, it's big.
Wait! It's very big.
You see, this is from the province. Yeah, this rambutan is organic one, and it has 4 grains, and this is the big one. Okay, this is the big one, and today we are going to peel out here.
Okay. You can come in.
So-
You can join me too. Okay. Come on.
And
Yeah.
this is very very sharp, and you can, like I can say, we don't use the claw here, so it can inject, get inject. So I do this one, okay? Okay, so let's get it fruit inside, okay? You go with me, and we do not cut this part, and we cut this part, okay? Let's cut this part. where we can say the parts. And for the brain, we can open it. Yeah, by just okay. When we see here the parts here,
Big size, this
parts
size.
here, the parts here, and okay, you just chop a little bit.
Papa lại rồi.
Okay, let's count to see the big one. Wow. Ooh, wow. Wow. This giant rain. Okay. You like it? Yes? Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it and put it here. Get this today? Get it? Take it out? Take it out? Take it out? Leo, take it out. Get it out and put it. Wow. 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 Put it here. Yummy? Yo, this one. One more. Big one. Yeah. Wow.
Kan sebut lah.
Okay, Stephen, this is the small one. Okay. Get it. And eat it.
Boleh
Come on.
sebut kan?
No? Okay, and let's see this one. One more. Here. Okay. Wow.
Đi mua, đi mua.
One more.
Đi mua, đi mua.
One more. Stephen,
Đi mua, đi mua, đi mua.
can you get it? No, get it. Here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, come on.
Oh, you do want top on it?
Come on.
on the plate.
Come on. Come on. Yes. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. They go.
I can get the fish.
Yeah. The big one.
How do you want it?
Yeah, get this side.
Sudah mi.
Yeah, two more, okay? Wow, wow.
Thu mà. Đi mua, thu mua. Đi thu mua.
Here. Stephen. Okay, hold it. Hold this one. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Whoa.
One more. Okay, one more, Stephen.
Very big.
Here, the small one, okay? Yeah, here, one more.
What? Small.
Yeah, small.
What's big?
Yeah.
I have the arm.
Yeah.
Small
That's
first.
all.
Me.
Okay. Come on. Okay. Finish. Now you can eat, okay?
But the small one.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Tung cái gì này. Big bird. Yummy. Ui.
Kau cuma belajar.
Để bên này nhỉ. Natural.
Organic.
Organic. Smell so good. Bye bye.